Hello everyone. So last video we showcased you the top speakers below 10K, 5K and 2K, and I have mentioned that I will be doing a video on showing how to make 2.0 or 5.1 speakers into 2.2 or 5.2. This is a cheapest method or a jugaad method which you can try to do this at your home with just 200 rupees investment. And for this particularly you might need one active speaker which you are using it as a subwoofer. I have 2.1 soundbar system, so that I will be connecting to a speaker, I mean like the speaker system which is a 5.1. I will remove all the 5 channels and keep the only the subwoofer for this video. So without any ado, I will just showcase you how I am connecting that and how I'm connecting to make it 2.1 to 2.2. And also just watch this video till the end, and if you have any doubts, like I have other speakers also, like a tower speaker, active tower speaker, which even comes with inbuilt speakers. That also you can try to use it as an extra subwoofer. Maybe we'll try to do it in the next video, but for this video I will showcase you on how you can connect that. Okay, here I have two subwoofer systems. One is iBall with its 2.2 channel soundbar, and I have the Dapic DP which is a 5.1 system. I have not taken the speakers, only with the subwoofer I'm going to connect. Okay, you can see that these are the ports, and I have one aux connected from this, and I have the iBall system where I have a connection for woofer. So basically this is a passive woofer and this is an active woofer, so I cannot connect this woofer for this system, but this system can be connected with that system. So I will show you how. Here is the woofer, and it's very heavy system. It's almost 20 years old system, and here is the air vent, and for the iBall this is the air vent, and this is a woofer. This is an 100 watt or 200 watt, I'm not sure, like I have not thought about it because I use it to watch movies. And this, I'm pretty sure this is definitely 200 watt, and I have these two speakers and they are connected together like this. So here I have iBall connecting with the red color aux. Both of these connections I have given to this junction kind of thing, which I have the input coming from the TV, and I have two outputs. I can keep multiple other outlets as well. Usually I connect my multiple tower speakers that way to create a different kind of sound staging. So once this is connected, what I have done is that to showcase you how the sound, like the difference will be there. I have connected this woofer to that plug box, and I have taken one more plug box to connect this woofer so that I can easily on and off while playing, so that you will be able to notice the difference in sound, not like editing it and keeping it, so that it will be in one flow and you will be able to differentiate the sounds between both of them, right? So I'm going to play one music, and right now this is off, so this speaker is off, only this one is active. And I will just show you that the bass in this speaker is set to the max. 5 is the max, and this is a max bass in that. And this one has a different kind of manual setup. This doesn't have any remote. This is the subwoofer volume, I can show you. Okay, and these are the surround volumes, like front, center and the rear speaker. So here only this one matters, so this can be adjusted. For now I just kept it in mid off because I know how much bass this one produces, so I don't want to go with even sound. So for now what you're going to hear is from the iBall. So we'll turn on this power box and you can notice the sound immediately. Turning off. Turning on again. Changing the bass in this. So hope you understood the method I have connected. So this one is available around 200 rupees. I will drop the link to buy from Amazon, so in the description you can check that. I also have multiple other jugards which I will showcase you in my next video. I have multiple other speakers which I have to review as well, so don't forget to like and subscribe this video. It definitely helps me to improve my presentation skill as well as the video editing skills, because if I get some encouragement from you all, definitely it will help me to motivate to make more videos from going forward on the speakers. Alright, till then, thank you so much. Bye bye.